You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to reset network settings on Android. Open the Settings app, tap System or General Management, tap Reset or Reset Options, tap Reset Network Settings. You may need to enter your PIN or password. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, and mobile data settings. Your phone will restart. After resetting, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and pair Bluetooth devices again. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.